Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can share screen recordings, screen captures or screenshots from your PS5 to your iPhone wirelessly. So let's begin the video. For this, we are going to need a total of 3 things. First of all, our iPhone, secondly, our PlayStation 5, and lastly, an active internet connection on both our iPhone and our PlayStation 5. The first step is to download and install a free app on our iPhone, which actually allows us to connect our iPhone with the PlayStation and to share screen captures. So for that, you're going to open the App Store and search for this app called PlayStation app. It is officially provided by Sony, so you can download and install this free app. I will put the link in the video description. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you're going to open the PS app. So for the very first time, you need to sign in to your PlayStation account. Now here is the most important thing. You need to sign in to your same account which is signed in to your PlayStation 5 as a primary account. So just sign in with the same email address and password you have signed in your PlayStation 5 which you want to connect with this particular phone. So I'm going to sign in by entering my user ID and password for my Sony account. Once signed in, it's going to first of all ask you to pair your phone with your PlayStation. So make sure that your PlayStation is on and it has an active internet connection. Since I have already connected my app with the PlayStation, it's not going to go into much details, but in your case it's going to ask you to scan a barcode on your PlayStation or enter a code and connect it. It's pretty simple process, so you can just follow the step-by-step instructions on your phone. Once you have connected your iPhone with your PlayStation, now we can move towards the PlayStation and I will show you how you can share screen recordings or screen captures from your PlayStation to your iPhone. Here I am on my PS5 and again I have an active internet connection on my PS5. So all you need to do is to open the media gallery app, as this app will contain all the screen recordings and screenshots that you have taken on your PlayStation 5. So all you need to do is to go to the right side where you have this select multiple option, click on X to select it. So from here you're going to select any screen recording or screenshots that you want to share with your iPhone. Now there is a catch to it, that if you want to share multiple screen recordings, then you cannot upload them directly. You need to upload them one by one. However, if you want to share multiple screenshots at a single time, you can do so. So let's just assume that I want to share a particular screen recording or a screenshot to the PS app. Let's suppose this one. I will click on X to select this particular image. On the right side, I'm going to scroll down where I have these 3 dots. I'm going to click on it and I am going to select the option upload to PlayStation app. So now what it will do is to actually upload this image to the PS app, and on the image or on the video on the top right side you can see this uploadation icon, which means that it is uploading the image or video to the PS app. And once it has been uploaded, you're going to have this phone and tablet icon, which means that you can view it on your iPhone. So that's how simple it is to do so. So let me show you on the iPhone as well. On your iPhone, you're going to open the PS app again, and here on the bottom you're going to open the menu which has these boxes and the controller icon. Here it's going to show you 2 pages, one is games and the other is captures. If you open the captures page, it will show you all the screen recordings and pictures that you have shared from your PlayStation to the iPhone, and this is the most recent picture that I have just shared, and these are old ones. And you should know that your captures will be saved for 14 days. After that they will be removed from the app. So if you want to save them permanently, all you can do is to open any capture. Let me just mute it. Click on this share button if you want to share it on any other platform, or you can simply click on the download button, and what it will do is to save this particular video or photo to the actual iPhone gallery. so that even if it is removed from the PS app, you have it on your iPhone storage or gallery. Once it has been downloaded, you can simply open the Photos app on your iPhone and the video will be saved on your iPhone gallery, as you can see right here. So from here you can share it on different social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, etc. So yeah guys, in this way you can share screen recordings or screen captures from your PS5 to your iPhone. If you guys liked this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comments section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.